Welcome to Concept Scroll. Today we are studying Class 10 Social Science, Chapter Nationalism in India. This is part 15 of 24, where we will learn about the Civil War. Let's get started. The Russian Civil War was a significant conflict that erupted following the Bolshevik Revolution. When the Bolsheviks ordered land redistribution, many soldiers, primarily peasants, deserted the army to return home and claim land. This led to the fragmentation of the Russian army. The Bolshevik uprising faced condemnation from non-Bolshevik socialists, liberals, and supporters of the autocracy. These groups, known as the Whites, Czarists, and Greens, socialist revolutionaries, organized troops in South Russia to combat the Bolsheviks, referred to as the Reds. During 1918 and 1919, the Whites and Greens controlled much of the Russian Empire, supported by foreign troops from France, America, Britain, and Japan, who were concerned about the spread of socialism. The Civil War was characterized by widespread looting, banditry, and famine. The Whites, who supported private property, took harsh measures against peasants who had seized land, resulting in a loss of popular support. By January 1920, the Bolsheviks had regained control over most of the former Russian Empire, aided by cooperation with non-Russian nationalities and Muslim jihadists. However, cooperation faltered where Russian colonists turned Bolshevik, leading to brutal massacres of local nationalists in places like Khiva, Central Asia. The Bolshevik government aimed to remedy this by granting political autonomy to non-Russian nationalities within the Soviet Union, established in December 1922. Despite these efforts, unpopular policies, such as discouraging nomadism, hindered the success of these initiatives. Here's an interesting fact. During the non-cooperation movement, thousands of students left government schools and even gave up fancy British-made clothes for simple khadi. Key takeaways: Civil War followed the Bolshevik Revolution due to land redistribution. Non-Bolshevik factions, Whites and Greens, opposed Bolsheviks. Foreign troops supported Whites and Greens, fearing socialism's spread. Bolsheviks regained control by January 1920 with support from non-Russian nationalities. Political autonomy granted to non-Russian nationalities in the USSR. Autonomy, the right to govern themselves. In the next part, we continue with nationalism in India on Concept Scroll.